Yending Komokaka on the foreign front na many amoso embremo. Now you see offer Timani de Liverpool. It seems that Omo edge league in the last season, but they still want to be contenders. Omo per se, and also Omo ye defending champions are. Because we more defending here because winning the league now say defending a year na intense. A few clubs have been a team yesterday, and especially in the English Premier League. You know now, open your friends are in this lot. A buy, you know. Dodona can say, Papa, your friend say, a Georgian Nobel Club, a Juma or Shisha 2 or not, Sebi, what be the home, and Tino. On one Kasan so bad by any day, winning the league last season, or almost shut down for credit any money. I say, due to the performance, and I say, more than more debi. Name Georgian Club, a Juma or your 2 or and we did home. This time around, I feel you be home opinion and Kasan no Juma. Now, how is he going to work with this Liverpool squad? Which players are what I see our purchasing now? Clearly, they are team will be fort kakra baby. Now, we the goalkeeping department is able to get goalkeepers. Omuna no sebi they are equally good. Untimi infa Georgie Mamadashvili to 2 Alison Becker ho penny pedigree there. But we should goalkeeping wise, the kind of saves any saving rate, percentage wise now. Betimi de na ben no kakra. Although when it comes to experience and that stuff and idea, and na Fenia Alison Becker. But so Georgie Mamadashvili as your backup goalkeeper. It seems say goalkeeping department on you are good to go, you are okay. Now we show more defensive setup now. I know say a branch of friends say Ibrahim Kunati and Shada and Isa say also person better team and the Liverpool nya obe free one because Madrid is knocking on his door into nya opeko nemu me pedi na me international say a branch and because of a Madrid ba waba nemu me sikasem o for Liverpool team ni drinya kwaku e bedru ba bi no say Liverpool if the care is not taken na home omo be lose some key and quality players bia o madrin ma won so because Luis Diaz ne opeso moving na no enye bibia antia o ayisikasem because omo hwe players ni bisi ka bi omo je wo baabi omo mpo asebi omo ntimi enya ade bi esombo kran farmer clubs no omo mpo sika bi omo je because so hwe Miami team Arsenal mpo kra say in particular hwe the kind of salary weekly players no enset mi eka tells you clearly say Liverpool team no sika sem no form power when it comes to the player side omo betis can boom dia koto player no but as to so omo ma player na ankasa ni sika ma the alternative nim no eya na wo form power until Luis Diaz say o hwe ni sika wo ja e wo form na Ibrahim Konate is also crying because ono so sika wo je wo form na say Mo Salah eye meko nyina no e no ma pagya ni sika ni ma branch your friends Mo Salah enso team atena but I feel say with Liverpool squad na omo hwehwe sisi ane de the last season omo ye no if they are able to retain the league anyame nwanwa wow cause players now mukuta sisi any signings almost say ye kan wono cause owo yeah branch your friend say Mo Salah e wo hono ma already waji goalkeeper no e ba assistant so top assist chat no e wo hono now Alison Becker when it comes to experience wise I no so that so team nim who Ibrahim Konate who Virgil van Dijk o mu nyina no that so ho they form integral part of a team and the Liverpool Andrew Robertson what lose key player in the shape of a branch your friend is Trent Alexander-Arnold but for you to replace him with Jeremy Frimpong Penny, the last 2 seasons I will buy Liverpool. No, any idea dance say Jeremy Frimpong no, or no so you up and coming top talent, or no so AP, and when you say Liverpool so be boy with in the development. No, clearly in the style of play, no so size you to Liverpool yepa. Now if you're moving for one, who will keep players, who will for. A branch of friends Ryan Gravenberch in your fine season, me who play Liverpool team no play about when it comes to the midfielder. Oh yeah, Juma Pie Ryan Gravenberch, but because only the no and confirm Bonidi Bebre. Now show money honum Luis Diaz here Juma, but
or your Juma chain Moses Casado ana. Who say last 2024-2025.
Only
Barosha.
Casado here Juma, but me Ryan Gravenberch Juma Yema Liverpool no only
in the league.
Yes, in the league only.
Into to you the
okay to me
or yeah the
to me per English Premier League number of games I share between Chelsea and Liverpool or games I share you know Ryan Gravenberch Juma we ye the man Liverpool I say bo am Magic League ne there me I would say so ye Juma chen Casado but Moses Casado ni wodin what I say do ni paro do say ni Ryan Gravenberch but a whole lot of people in my branch your friend is Moses Caicedo into the little thing or be the amateurs no e be man din akọ into enko force more and nothing na yana make no so far player your friend say Vitinha nipa do say na ehwe French league into say you be na be trans be di no ho dance ama na ton crofo so mo be o madwen so mo kọhwe na wo fa Vitinha Now for Moses Caicedo is here. I can't say why in a year Juma. More now because Caicedo because Momunya Caicedo Eshe anymore. Into right guy Becho. Now almost say Alexander Isak and Ababeke anymore for no. Now players omu Pomunya do omu Benyan so players are omu want na omu want na omu goals ba. And clearly Goku say Mo Salah obetimi ama 20+ goals a season. Wakofa Ugo Ikitike ono so betimi ama 20+ goals a season. Wakofa o say Isak ono so betimi ama 20+ goals a season na. Chelsea say yemu season ni no na sesa players we mu nyina utimi nyo mu nyina na omo put up omo best performance possibility say omo nyina na ma 20+ goals ni osro.
But who Ikitike no me want is as a more hyping too much.
Now,
because this season, it goes I not say the goals contribution. The season here about 2024-25 season. How many goals did he give to Eintracht Frankfurt?
Kwaku, there are some players at home. Obe few say be a hype, but with the kind of team omu romu, it me pejo omu do baby pa.
Me eno me tiase ba Orban.
Who go Ikitike?
The pedigree need to sing. Orban.
Who go Ikitike a young chap? On my goals because Obo Timbe.
Eintracht Frankfurt.
Now let's take this scenario. Obo Eintracht Frankfurt. Who creative midfielder say one.
Because this season about 33 matches, Emma 15 goals.
Okay. Now Obo Eintracht Frankfurt. Meboa. Omo mo be produce ama wa share a creative midfielders are omo ye resolute no mo yes e wo.
Mamush kwa Jan Hokoi.
Omo yes e wo. Now listen, OP, you see if you take
because Darwin Nunes so now or surrounded by creative players.
My so far Darwin Nunes are share chances wasted. Mo adwen ko ho no so.
Yes, your man ball.
Omo the man on say. Because in confidence ni be dum ye. Darwin Nunes enye say bia obejan Liverpool game mu a omo feed no. They feed him. But so man 10 na obeso 2 no say it.
Last season empty poke robotic.
Sanity. Oh, ebefa. Now Paris Saint-Germain team no na team be ya. Na team a Luis Enrique na ekuta. And you na idea dance say with the kind of players that Paris Saint-Germain be nya yi. Edison Cavani or Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Omo point me afa club na anya bibia. To some extent, Messi came, Neymar came, Kylian Mbappé too was there. But there no team de ye. Luis Enrique and abema Paris Saint-Germain team no. Abeya akono abro so a ibin sida. What has he? And me who go Ikitike there. I know say and go for beka say hype there. But with this Liverpool team am here no. Who go Ikitike integration no beboa. Obetimi aye bibi e dey ama team and dey Liverpool no obebangin goals nso. Clearly because say o sha say o gain momentum na the confidence level no so page ah. The rate at which obeshi goals dey ama Liverpool na be yam won.
To win say obe successful.
Yeah, with this Liverpool squad. Because the dane say obey clinical. Liverpool team we are clinical keka. Possibility say we nya goals na was because we a whole lot of creative midfielders any creative attackers are when it comes to a feeding on be feedu come up ama wetimi abobo ne dia to ntinem nti the our kai say we as a player no we be clinical if you are clinical enough you will be banging goals nti who go Ikitike I know say amount no mo de tall no a two-way above nene ono ankasa because we price na Liverpool for the five Ikitike na was bebre because on said that you improve bebre sa yeah but kumenu nyina so be di adance say the transfer market no dey aye no sa na aye and for you to even purchase a defender for 85 million euros no it tells you clearly say this year no umpo omo ton no omo na be bubu nse magiska no what you say ntisa etie no ni madueke ye penny yet on say 52 by possibly o me backup sana enti kwagu normal enti wo go Ikitike there ye no ye hwe na me adoma the season sha asia
then we can assess
you nyina ebetimi assess no ye because a new league na wo rem adaptation say ni besi akọ if adaptation don't go well and you man fan no but if asase na e fana you will see clearly say akrana every say we go Ikitike no entina won na na say nipa bi woni mu now if you get Alexander Isak to add to a team and the Liverpool I think say when you bad the business sense your honor the possibility to be team arrest some key players in some low profile matches bi no e be wosro na mo matimi anya e match fitness for e heavier games no as time goes on with the English Premier League, UEFA Champions League, as well as the FA Cup and the English Carabao Cup. No, in Tikwaku, Liverpool they are doing a fine, they are doing good businesses, and so with the kind of purchases or more. Now, idea about the changes be teams in NBA with their technical team. Pep Guardiola.
Man City grass saki bebre.
Pep Guardiola. Also man, woman in our core. Now, Wakofa Branty friends say Pep Linders. Now, unim Pep Linders at under opinion friends George Klopp. Ejumano do na assistant coaches no mu yo by infa credit ni ma because almost serve as the liaison between a players no ne a coach no as intermediary, and clearly upon friends say Pep Linders during the days at a Liverpool no hwe ekwan no fa so any players no omo emerge. There was this time na papa your friend say George Klopp enya suspension will take you over. Now we share the style of play now the boys in the bona they played with a certain belief under opinion friends Pep Linders more than opinion friends George Nobel Club because na George Nobel Club who from warm. Okay. Pep Linders and so Edis and your man say ba beka opinion friends Pep Guardiola even though of course Salzburg no and your man farm man said the nan ko penny there because obi wo hono ma ya na ne mfenso ye ne ho ne nsanso na che dwaye. Ntino waje club work kakra oba beje kakra so the almighty Pep Guardiola so. Now when you are opinion friends Kuluturi, which of course on also by England wa mutim phone that.
Oh yeah, wa mutim. So boss na ina.
Yeah. Invisible so no come home. Now obi a why invisible. Now we player. Na say be o tin wa we timi aka bibi. Until you see team now will build no. Now Arsenal for so you be in the shape of Gabriel Heinze. How Marco Fernandes so dey naba. Until ku changes in dem go for ye but you can you see agro ne fam. Season is sha sia. Na you who say baby I keka kono okay ebefa emfa na ebetimi ehu but for now there me ade ba kwa me dasisi ya na me sori a me ni jipa ene say me fa me team Arsenal na ma hwe me bi atwa me de no boye 9 Shamak you see Benayu he Benteke mo Benteke da bi anya Benteke yi de no Denmark ni oh don't kai me Denmark Denmark there was this Denmark striker none who fe pa already.
No Liverpool.
Arsenal.
No Liverpool.
Arsenal said no make. Your strikers beat say Shamak mu nyina mo ma boy na. Ashavin is a Russian. There was this hey no who fe pa ya me ade di na beba. Na kogu hwe mo Nicholas Benton mo. Eduru ba bi Arsenal team. Na ne o ka mo na bo 9. Chiro mu gina na chi. Freddie Ljungberg. Ye ko invisibles no kwaku the crop of players are near kuta Martin Keown, David Seaman. Look at all these quality players are near crowd. You do baby Scotland Mustafi boy actually o sha asene team no mfimfim wono ma ubenya Cesc Fabregas bi no abebo kakra ubenya Santi Cazorla bi no abebo kakra ubenya Mesut Ozil bi no abebo kakra ba ubewie no o fa team ni nyina the core of the team no na de to wono ma hu se papa ni wom ni kakra bi ena fon kwa but this time around asa Arsenal yenya papa ntu sa Arsenal fo eni je because Victor Gyökeres no yenya ne so striker ache for a striker coming into a English Premier League. No, listen, Opi. At the current yana me kano yes say. Tembia on say yana me dey dey yastic. Me dey your friend say Erling Haaland yastic. Erling Haaland every Dortmund na buy English Premier League no more be daw. But no goals are no show. Borussia Dortmund no one numbers. Now for a player I know say the Portuguese league ni league dey move do there. But for a player to play a single league now we bought 102 matches better 97 goals. Ekwaku and just 5 games in Pena Abeka say one should go. O striker average there. Until me say personal style of playing. If Mikel Arteta was able to make Mikel Merino a striker, no should go to the Arsenal. How much more a potent striker and Kasa no intimi man in Montana. Until possibility say be farman was raw. I know say they are critics beba ebe per se. Your best statistics in Enfano mbetimi akoma say see a kind. I don't want to say befa. Oh, maybe them who say befa. But I mean, if I you na, I did about company the bear says yes in a team because they see no beyond Arsenal formidable trophies. Okay. And at the end of the day, say Victor Gyökeres sheba no beje go king to also be 5. Now Arsenal your bosses in every near this second say be more. We use Arsenal for any beje. Say Victor Gyökeres sheba no, wa beje go king and near okay. No, they say baby I do no kwaku ye here trophy o. Until bosses in your English Premier League. Your boss is in you no yenya Champions League biaje your boss is in you na anya hwe yenya kwa no yenya FA Cup Arsenal for be sure say believe so okay the team is turning into the right direction
Amadu FA Cup your trophy
kwaku say Manchester United for na dia no mo di twa Arsenal mpoa so we can the last 5 years omo kade Omutima nyanya kroma dey. Enti senka you feel say edoma nko ye ne so age FA Cup anka moka 5 years yenye hwe no. Anka Mikel Arteta nso ka say me buy 5 years ma age FA Cup.
Okay.
Kwaku ye de ye Arsenalfo. Ye mpa ya ye bu nyina ne say Victor Jokeres no. Ne ye pene so bi yenya. Enti se Mikel Merino mpotimi begina ye ni mo bontena ma ya. Aha. Minimum da yakabo.